Hi everyone, and thanks for joining. Today we are going to be making the Swirl Buttermilk Castile Soap from Anne-Marie's Milk Soap book. This is definitely a beginner recipe. I did a few things differently. First is the colorants. I'm using clays that I have left over, and I just wanted to get rid of them, so I'm going ahead and prep them before we start making soap. And you just kind of soak them in a little bit of water, like just a teeny tiny bit of water, and I usually let them sit for like 30 minutes to an hour to make sure the water is fully incorporated into the clays. Next we'll measure the oils. Next you're going to want to mix your lye solution with the water only, and you do want to add a little bit of sodium lactate once the lye is completely mixed in. This is the brand that I use. It's just something I bought off Amazon. And then you're also going to want to measure out the buttermilk, and I just put it in the fridge until we're ready to use because we'll actually mix this in later. We won't mix it in with our oils or the water at this time. I just want to take the time to remind you guys that this is the point where once your oils and lye water are mixed, you can go ahead and add in that milk solution you measured out earlier. And I just kind of hand stirred that into my batter. Then I went ahead and added the colorants in, and then I'm going to do a little bit of the fragrance oil. I used 2 ounces of the Kentish Rain from Brambleberry, which is one of my favorite fragrances, and I have another video reviewing some of their fragrances if you want to see it. And with the coloring, you kind of just do a drop swirl, so we're going to make sure that we pour from really far up high and just swirl around the soap right at the end to make sure everything's sort of mixed, and this should leave us with a nice design.